Well, hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mansa, and in today's video, we're doing part 2 of a Christmas Clean and Decorate with Me series 2022. So in my previous video, I decorated my Christmas tree, which you can see right here in the right corner right there. And I also did my entire living room. So in this video, I will be focusing on the kitchen and the small, the breakfast nook area. But first of all, I gotta clean up the mess from my kids. I had to add this footage just so you guys know that my home is not perfect. It is not always looking neat, but one thing I do is being really intentional about cleaning up multiple times during the day to keep it the way I want. So I just thought it was important to let it out there so that no one is being hard on themselves thinking that, okay, oh, Mansa got it all together, her home is spotless. No, I vacuum this area 3 to 4 times a day. Each time the kids snack, the kids eat, it's gonna be a mess. It's like a tornado just passed. If you got kids, you probably know what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's why my cordless vacuum comes in so handy, because all I do is just keep it plugged in. That way, each time I need to give a quick vacuum, I can just grab it. So that's what I just did over here. And then I would just keep cleaning, and then I would go ahead and move on to the kitchen. So today's video is more of a clean with me, because before you get to decorating, of course, take the time to clean out your space. So spaces that you normally would not have touched, try and do those before you start decorating. It just lets you start on a clean slate, and it just makes the space look even more cozier and just better. Matter of fact, because once you add your decorative pieces, it's just bomb. It's ready to go. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. As usual, I'm going to be adding a lot of music, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So once I'm done cleaning the table, I'm just going to add in my vase. This is just the vase that I already had. And you guys must have already seen this floral arrangement that I got from Hobby Lobby. It's really nice and just simple. It's like this beautiful gold color, and I just love it. So I got 2 of those. I'm just going to sit it right there. I kept this table really clutter-free because we add our own clutter throughout the day. So that is all I'm doing here, nothing more. And you guys, look at my beautiful tree. I love, love, love it. Moving on to the kitchen, as you can see, my island is packed with junk. So that day, this was on a Saturday, we had IHOP for breakfast. We did a carry out, brought it home because I didn't feel like going out. So we had breakfast, and then I'm just going to put away everything and get to decluttering my island. I cannot stand it. And I also had dishes from the night before. I'm going to put it away, reload my dishwasher, and the whole shebang. So I hope you guys enjoy watching. And if you are, please hit on that like button. It helps me out a lot. And if you're a new subscriber, and I do see a lot of y'all, you are warmly welcome to my channel. On here, expect to find shop with me videos, clean with me videos, and of course, seasonal decorate with me videos. I also do add some lifestyle vlogs. So if you like it on here, you might want to subscribe and also hit on your notification bell. That way, each time I do upload a new video, YouTube would notify you guys. Thank you guys, and let's keep on watching. Now that my entire sink is clean, I'm gonna go ahead and give my countertop a quick wipe with my favorite granite and stone cleaner. I love it so much, and I'm gonna clear the space because this is where I'm gonna be putting my. I'm gonna be setting up my hot cocoa bar. So I'm taking all of that out for the season. And that will be my next video because I do not want this video to be too long. So I'm cleaning up the countertops and all of that. And this is where I'm going to be setting up my hot cocoa bar. That is the kids' absolute favorite thing. Probably after the Christmas tree, it would be their hot cocoa bar. And they get to invite their friends over for hot chocolate. And I make it very kid friendly, family friendly. So watch out for that video, and I hope you would get some inspiration to set up something for your little ones or just for yourself as well. It is both for adults and the kids. It's just family oriented. Now next is a haul. So over here I'm going to be showing you what I got. First of all, I got my hot chocolate bar. This was from last year, or at least 2 years ago. It was from Hobby Lobby, and I still have it. Next, I have these canisters with the gnome lids. These were from Home Goods also last year. I've already washed all of them. They just came out of the dishwasher. And also my holiday mugs. I really love these. I can't remember where these are from. But the white ones are definitely from TJ Maxx this year. So those are new additions. Also, I found this really cute canister from TJ Maxx. It's so beautiful, and it has the really glam snowflake crystals. And this was $9.99. Again, I have already washed all of these in the dishwasher. They're nice and clean and ready for me to start putting stuff in it for a hot cocoa bar. Next, I also grabbed more holiday mugs. I love these. They're this glass transparent, and it has the white snowflake. Really nice look from TJ Maxx as well. The kids love snow globes. They do love it so much. I'm adding this little one on there. Hot cocoa bar as well. And I found this cute not baking cups, measuring cups from Home Goods. So I'm definitely not going to use it for measuring because if you know a thing or two about baking, you know these cups are never going to be accurate. So I don't not plan on using these for actually baking, but I'm going to use it as a decorative piece. I really like the gold and white look. It just ties in with my kitchen and the rest of the decor in the house. So you just stack it up like this and it just looks like a Christmas tree. Really beautiful. I love it. And I picked up this candle from Bath and Body Works. This is the 3-wick candle. 'Tis the season. I really like the packaging and the lid. It looks so nice. And this is what it looks like. Smells so good. It is one of my classic holiday scents. And of course, my 3-wick candle holder. Also from Bath and Body Works, I got this hand lotion, champagne toast, a classic scent that I love. This joy sign, I believe, was from Hobby Lobby. It's just nice and simple. And I plan on adding it somewhere in my kitchen decor. You guys just watch out and see how I use it. These little churches, these little buildings, I got this one, I believe, from Hobby Lobby as well. And it lights up. It's so nice. And it has the shimmer look on the roof of it. Really beautiful. I found this glass Christmas tree, $9.99 at Home Goods. And it's also lit. So you just need to put in the batteries and it lights up really nice. And these I got from Burlington probably 2 years ago, and I still like to add them to my Christmas pieces. So as you can see, it's 2 different lengths, so it works very well to add depth and just dimension and layering in your decor. So yeah, watch my previous video where I decorated my Christmas tree and living room, and watch out for a hot cocoa and kitchen decorate with me video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.